Hi guys, so here are some chart requests from you. First one is HSY, Hershey Chocolate Company. The charts are looking good actually. I'm in this one in my dividend portfolio. Not a financial advice, but I like the dividends. It seems to be bottoming. Right now it's right at a 200 moving average on weekly, the gray line. So you ideally want it to break above it. We've seen a huge volume here. You want it to break above it. It's also a point of control, right? This is a very important support on the weekly, on a bigger time frame. And also you want it to go above it. Let's say if it gets about 195, 126, around here, you have this huge gap here in the volume. So that means there is no supply really until about 220. So it could run pretty quickly to that price. Looks good. Also on daily, does look pretty good. We are about all the moving averages below. You see again 210. You see, so I think it could totally go. It's the resistance here also. So this thing I could launch to 210, right? Looks good, chocolate. Coin. I mean, coin is just being absolutely crazy. It's super crypto related, a little bit overextended in my opinion. I would be careful. You know, what I did now, I just have stop losses below the weekly lows on many stocks. I don't want to risk it. You know, week is huge. If we get below the week, I would be careful. But again, if crypto keeps rallying, we're a month or so before halving. I would be buying the dips and just have my stop loss in place. Please make sure, because this thing will really fast. We're also at the crazy resistance here around 270. Wow, this rallied a lot. But again, with crypto, you know, there is no limit. Truly, it can start up to 300, 350 probably. So another one is MSTR, same situation. I mean, when you look at this chart, I would not buy stock at this level. Maybe what I would do would be again swing trade, day trade, but just make sure you have stop loss in all these things because they're just super overextended. Oh, this is even all-time high. You can buy things in all-time highs, but make sure you know when to get out. Look at the RSI. It's just been super crazy. We start selling a Bitcoin or a little pullback, which would be healthy. These things will be falling 10, 15% on a day sometimes, easily on the miners, coin. It's just, you know, guys, this is super volatile stuff. So it's hard because it's in all-time highs, so we don't really know where this can get. It can get totally crazy with crypto, right? Carefully, maybe just day trade it. Be quickly in and out. Have a nice trade, maybe trade the opening range breakout or some of those strategies. Netflix. Oh, wow. I love Netflix. I traded a lot. Looks nice. It's about this. This is kind of a nice now support, which was a resistance, and get above it. And if we find buyers, Netflix can go to the 693. 693 easily. You see here is also not much standing in the way. We're in a beautiful uptrend. It's this weekly chart. I like to look at those for the reference. So we're still in an uptrend. Again, I would have my stop loss somewhere around 590 if I would be you. Netflix can go higher. 590 is a weekly. I would have my stop loss, right? If we break there, kind of gets ugly. AMD, the same thing. I would have my stop loss at 199. Maybe we can trade this in the morning if we have some sort of like a gap in the morning. We can do gap and go. We can also trade if it opens red and it goes green again. You know, it's another strategy you can trade. There are a bunch of ways you can get into this stock again. It was a nice pullback. You know, it can go higher. There is good semiconductors are very hot right now, so it can go higher and higher. You don't have a limit on those things. People think it's too high. Who knows? You can trade. So, but again, stop loss 199. I think that would be where I would be a little bit cautious, because if we break, and we have this ugly upper wick here, so we had a really strong sell-off. Let's look at the data tomorrow. Let's look at what the market is doing overall, and then you can look to trade this or take a little break. All right. Hope this was helpful. You guys have a wonderful night. Let's see you tomorrow in the trading room. Ciao.